Hi, my friends. Susannah here with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group and Forever Yoga with Susannah, which is my YouTube channel. That's what you're watching right now, where I have lots of videos that are appropriate if you have low bone density, yoga videos, strength training, and of course, challenges. The challenges we do in the Facebook group. So this challenge is for February 2025. We're going to work together every day to do a variation on plank pose, plank variation. And the first variation will be done standing, so it's accessible for all of us, even those who may have difficulty getting up and down from the floor. This one may look easy, but it's going to be a good workout for us all, and we'll do two variations on the standing plank. The first one will actually be a push-up plank. So face your wall. I'm using the side of my bookcase. First variation, take your hands, spread them wide, and create a diamond shape with your index finger and your thumbs, and you'll plant that right in front of your chest on the wall. Do that. Good. Now, step away from the wall and come up onto your tippy toes. This can be done in sneakers or barefoot. Now, from here, we're going to keep the plank position, which is the straight alignment of your body, and do push-ups by bending the elbows and going forward for 10, 9, squeeze your glutes, find your abs, 7, 6, 5, keep everything straight, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. There you go. That's your first set. Push-up planks. Now we're going to do another variation at the wall where we're going to work our hips. This time you can just plant your hands straight in front of you on the wall, wherever you like, and have them be nice and straight. Squeeze your glutes, step away from the wall. All right, we're going to go up and down with each leg. So lift the right, lift the left. Stretch behind you. Extend behind you, alternating your legs. So let's do, I guess we did about 3 there, so 4 on each side, 5, keep things straight, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. This is a challenge, right? 10 and 10, and then hold, squeeze, 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 squeeze your glutes. When I say squeeze, I'm talking about your glutes. Breathe and relax. You can step forward and release. Great. So that's 2 plank variations at the wall. And now, if you're up for it, let's go down and do a couple of variations on the mat. So lower down. Start in table position, hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. Let me just say that because we just already did some work on our wrists and we're about to do more, let's give our wrists some wrist love by shaking them out, wiggling your fingers, and then rotating your wrists with a light fist on each hand. Go one direction and then the other. Great. All right, and then we'll stretch out the wrists again later. So let's begin with a few warm-ups in tabletop position before the full plank. So hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. What I love to suggest is that you begin with pelvic tilts for the lower spine mobility, the pelvic mobility. So it's very important for this and prepares you for plank. Tuck tailbone, lift butt. Tuck tailbone, lift butt. And then coming to stillness, we'll do upper back mobility work, and that will be dropping the chest between the arms and feeling your shoulder blades come together. Arms stay straight, and then push away and feel the shoulder blades on your back. So it's just the upper thoracic spine area that is getting focused on here. Drop and push. And if you'll notice, I am not rounding my spine. I am not dropping my head or tucking tailbone. It's only the upper shoulders and back doing the work here. Great. And then you can curl your toes, take your hips back, walk your hands in front of you. Maybe come onto your fingertips as you do an extended child's. Stretch from the tops of your hands to your shoulders to your hips. Find your breath. Good. So that's the warm-up sequence, and we're ready for the challenge. I'm going to do top of the push-up plank. If you need to go down to forearm plank or use fists, that is your choice. But I'll be sticking with the top of the push-up plank variation. The other option, of course, will be to drop to your knees. So extend one leg behind you and be on your tippy toes, then the other. And here you are. Squeeze your glutes, take your shoulders away from your ears, and check to make sure that you do not have your butt up. That would be down dog. And you do not have your hips lowered. That would be really not fun for your back. If you need to modify, you may drop to your knees at any time. All right, hold on. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great. Knees drop, take it back, and relax. Shake out the wrists. Now, if you're new to plank or you've not been doing plank lately and it's the beginning of the month, that would be fine. Throughout the course of the month of February, you'll want to hold that longer and longer and then report back to how many seconds you can hold it later in the month. Can't wait to hear. But we're not done. Here's the next variation, which is not only going to be strengthening our core, upper body in the plank, it's also going to work our hips and our glutes. And it's similar to what we did at the wall. So here we are. We're going to go back into the plank. Take the shoulders away from the ears. One leg back, other leg back. Squeeze your glutes. Find your plank. And now we're going to lift and lower each leg, each side. We're going to count to 10. So 1, woo, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you keep going? It's hard, right? 6, 7, up and down, keeping your glutes engaged. Last 2 on each side. Good. It's got to be a challenge. And release. Knees down, stretch back, extended child's, relax, breathe, and release. So that was definitely challenging for me. I don't know about you, but we're going to do this every day this month, and it's going to get easier. So again, stretching out the wrist, extend one arm, take the opposite hand and pull back, like so, yeah. And then the other one, pull back. Nice stretch. Great job, everybody. Yay. Okay, so thanks so much for joining me for this challenge video. If you are not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, please join us. Below this video will be a link where you can click and go to Facebook and request to join. We'd love to have you. And this being my YouTube channel, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe. And then everybody, I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, a like. I really appreciate your likes, and welcome your comments below as well as in the group. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.